So I'm going to show you how to create an assignment from an existing assignment. I'm going to go into my master class. And now let's say I want to assign something that I've used previously, or if you set everything up ahead of time for certain units and things, you can pull from what you've set up ahead of time. So I'm going to go into assignments. And I'm going to click create, but I'm going to choose from existing. And you can create an assignment from any assignment you've had before in any other team. So I could pull an existing assignment from any other master class I have or any other class at all. But I have it already in this master class. And now it's going to give me a list of my assignments, and I can choose whichever one I want. So I am going to just choose this one. It doesn't matter because I'm just doing it as a test. So now once it's here, you have the ability to change anything you want. So I can change these directions if I want. I can edit the links if I want. If it's a document, I can edit. Let's say I have the date on the document and I want to update it from year to year. I would update it in my USB or on my OneDrive, resave it. And then once it finishes loading, I can choose to edit it, which I'll show you in a minute. You can add additional resources if you want. So if last year you didn't give them a document, but this year you want to, you can change the points if you want. You can add a rubric. You're going to choose what classes you want to assign it to. So I'm in my master class, but I want to assign it to my eSchool teams. I would select whichever ones, multiple ones. For me, I'm just going to do my practice team. And then you can change your due date as you need to. You can schedule it. So now that my pieces have loaded, here I can click the three dots and I can remove it, or I can open it and view it. So if I wasn't sure what it looked like last year, I could click open online and it will open the PDF for me, and I can view it just to make sure that there's nothing that looks different or nothing that I wanted to change from year to year. So if I go back, I want to change this link. I've updated it, so I want to remove it. And now I'm going to add my resource. I am going to add the link. I don't want them to go to that Wakelet link. I've made a new one. So I'm going to go grab that. Remember that Wakelet, if you give them the link and you change the Wakelet itself, they're still going to get the updated material. I'm just changing this because I completely started a new Wakelet for them. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to write my description. And then I'm going to click attach. And I'm going to assign it. And now, just like before, it's going to assign to both this team and my practice team, or it would assign to this team as well as your eSchool teams. So it does take a minute, as we saw the last time, between the practice team or your eSchool teams, because you're doing between multiple teams. So if we want, we can wait it out, but hopefully you get the idea that eventually it's going to show up in your practice team, probably in about, a minute or two. So hopefully that was helpful on how to create an assignment from something that's already existing.